Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The girl was coloring the lion picture. Her sister came and told her it was a loving picture. Can you please draw a picture for this lamp? Or art helps us to express.
Let's meet with new sounds.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Let's do actions with me.
We lick a lollipop. 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 Lick a lollipop.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Lion, lamp, lemon. Ooh, ooh, loin. Lamp. Lemon. Dear kids, what do you know about the lemons? What are the lemons used for?
see you in the next lesson.